So cute. I definitely need this in my front yard. Oh, this is so cute. Aldo purse 2025, year of the snake. Freaking cute. I don't have a red purse. I need this. So freaking cute. Oh, this bag is so cute. I don't have anything in this color. By Rachel Zoe for $24.99. This is cute. So this one's gonna go inside my cart, and we will decide later if we want to buy or not. Okay, so this one's actually by a different brand on sale $24. Kind of like this one. Looks different. It's like a tote bag, but half the size of a tote bag. But then, how cute. What? I didn't know my local TJ Maxx carries Gucci earrings. Cute. Let's zoom in. I've never tried a perfume oil before. Let's give this one a smell. Yeah, it smells good. $14.99. This perfume reminds me of the Tom Ford cherry one. $16.99. Element Edition, Ruby. This back here just caught my eyes. It's giving me Dolce & Gabbana for less. Put it in the cart, decide later. Okay, next up we're gonna check out the shoes. Okay, so I spent 10 seconds going through shoes. Nothing caught my eyes. Next, I'm gonna look at clothes. It's hard to find cute clothes when you're pregnant. I do need a new scrub brush. This one comes with two. Oh, $4.99. Oh, that's cheap. I'm also picking up these cleaning brushes that are good for the kitchen and bathroom and living room. I need a new sink organizer. This one's on sale for $6. So I'm definitely getting this one. Obviously I'm pregnant, so I cannot have any cocktails, but I can make me some mocktails or flavored ice drinks. Oh look, they have the lavender one. I found 3 planners. I can't decide which one I really like. This one's for $10. This one's a budget planner, which I really like because there's a section. I know I just bought one from Amazon, but then I used the one from Amazon. I don't really like it. This one's definitely more aesthetic, but simple. Oh, this is so cute. I definitely need this in my front yard. Once upon a time. No, I'm just kidding. Just lifted this statue up and it's $39.99. So $40, I think it's actually pretty good. I was thinking it would be more in the $60 to $70 range, but I think $40 for this swan statue is really cute. Okay, so I just finalized all the items that we'll be buying from TJ Maxx, And as I'm getting everything you see up here, I really have to stick to my essentials. So I should be spending a little bit under $30. Okay, so I just stepped aside of Target because I gotta get some milk for my boys at home and pick up some AAA batteries. Turned over and I saw this Ice Passion tea concentrate. This looks really good. I was gonna go to Starbucks right after this, but maybe I should just buy this and make me a nice cup of refreshing Ice Passion tea. I just remembered we need some mouthwash. Let's go to the dental hygiene section. We always get the TheraBreath. I'm sorry, the TheraBreath. Yeah, they're pretty expensive, but they look really good. Let's get this one. I usually go for this one. The blue one is good, and so is the green one. Let's go with the blue one for today. And because I'm on a budget, I'm gonna get the smaller one. Usually we get a mega size, but this should be okay until my husband's next paycheck. I lied. I am not done shopping. I actually need to pick up a box of disposable straws for my toddler. I know I can just get the reusable ones, but I refuse to wash straws because I'm already washing baby bottles at home, so this can save me a little bit of time. Okay, so we also stopped by McDonald's, grabbed a quick bite. We got 2 McChickens and a Happy Cakes meal. But when I get home, I'm still gonna cook dinner for my family. So we also have something for lunch tomorrow. It's 7:40 p.m. I still gotta make dinner. I got some chicken drumsticks. But first I need to clear some dishes and then make some rice. This bowl is really oily. So I'm just gonna butterfly first and go from there. I do not have any gloves. I really need some gloves. But I'm going to use okay, I think that's good enough. I guess fried food once a month. Other than that, we don't eat a whole lot of fried food. Three at a time. Okay, so equal parts of ice, passion concentrate with water. So I'm just gonna eyeball this. I don't know how much I really need. Like that. And my straw. pretty good. But it needs a bit more sugar. Oh, duh, it says it right here. Herbal free concentrate. I totally missed this sign. Okay, no wonder it's not so sweet. But it's good though. This is the result of the first batch. Crispy, savory, a little bit salty, love it. I'm gonna eat this with some rice over water, because that's how most people eat.